In the previous video, you saw how the Jeep Legacy was born, and we have showcased the village Jeep, the Thar CRDE and the 3-door Thar. This particular video is all about the all-new Thar ROXX. So as you can see, this car comes with a refreshed look, and now we have the 6-pack grille. As you can see here, this resembles the 6-packs. But even if this has a 6-pack, this car cannot go topless, because in the newer model, that is in the 5-door Thar ROXX, you get a hardtop option from the stock variant. You get the all-new LED DRLs and projector lights in Thar ROXX as standard. You get a new refreshed bumper, you get fog lights, and the look is all new. So before we hop in, this particular thing over here, it's very unique, because we see this often in all the new generation cars, but in Thar ROXX, since this car is massive in height, this is tall and this is a SUV, but we have this door handle over here. But you might think that how does a kid go in? But then, since this is an adventure vehicle, your kid will have to jump here, do some adventures to get in, and that would be interesting. Mahindra has retained its signature style of 2-step back door. So you get a glass door, and then this currently is a 2-wheel drive petrol variant and the top end model. So you get engine start stop button, you get a nice digital instrument cluster over here, and a 10-inch big infotainment system, and the steering gets a lot of options. You get cruise control, and you get many options as such, and you also get a 360-degree camera, and you also get blind spot sensor in the mirrors, which is a cool option. So Mahindra has focused this car, keeping the luxury segment in the market, and this car is more of SUV than an off-roader. So you get automatic option, you get electronic parking brakes, you get hill hold and assist option, and this time around you get a switch to open your fuel lid here, and traction, this switch is to off and on the traction control. So you get a drive mode option this time around, that is zip is the road mode, and next comes the zoom, which is the track mode, and then we have the snow mode, then we have mud and sand. So this time around you get electronically adjustable front seat. So this again, as I told, this is a premium touch what Mahindra has given to this. You get the ventilated seats, which is super cool. I can relax. And you get this massive grab handlebars, which adds on to the macho look this car has. And the highlight is, this time around you get a panoramic sunroof. So in the passenger row, as you can see, the cushioning of the seat is very comfortable, and the front seat is set to the maximum, but still we have lot of leg room over here. You get a reclinable seat over here, so you can relax on the long go, and you also get ISOFIX child mount as standard in this car, in this particular model. And to be honest, the passenger view is very roomy, unlike the older Thar where you were stuck in the rear seat and you couldn't open the windows. But this time you have lot of options to explore around in the new Thar ROXX. So this get a refreshed rear side, that is the pillar what you can see here. This looks so cool, that distinguish between the body panels and the roof, and this also resembles the Jeep Ram Glove, which has a roll bar over it, which has the same shape but then this adds on to the aesthetics of the vehicle. So the Thar ROXX is basically focused on the premium customers who go for Creta or Jeep Compass, because this is more of a car than an off-road vehicle, because it has all the luxuries and it can go anywhere, because you also get a four-wheel drive option. And this car in its segment is the most powerful car, which has the most power figures as well as the torque figures. But yes, the fuel economy is not yet clear, but then it might be on little lower side compared to its competitors. But do you think you would consider that? Because the looks of this car is unmatched compared to its rivals, because as the name indicates, the Thar ROXX, this car is rock solid. As you could see, we did hardcore off-roading in this particular model, but the surprising factor is we were driving a two-wheel drive option. In two-wheel drive, this machine could do so much of off-roading, may it be in the camel section or may it be in the sidewall section, which was a downhill dive into a tunnel. So this could easily do anything. So just imagine, if a two-wheel drive car can do all these things, then how capable would be a four-wheel drive? As you can see, this is where we are right now, and this is the inclination, and this could be done in a two-wheel drive model. Isn't that great? If you ask me to rate this car, I would rate 12 out of 10, because I love the interiors. It looks plush, it looks premium, and I would rate the engine 20 out of 10, because it's so capable, and especially the suspensions are so good, and you really feel you are gliding on a terrain, not driving on a terrain. Especially in the camel section, it was so smooth, because we could never feel those undulations too much. Yes, we could feel to an extent. It's how well engineered Mahindra Thar ROXX is. You get tons of features in the infotainment system, and I guess I would need a day to explain all. First of all, I explored this particular interface, wherein you can see all the like there is something called dedicated off-road, where you can see the power, torque figures as well as speedo and tachometer in your instrument cluster. And post that, you get a dedicated off-road map. Sorry, the earlier one was on-road, and in off-road you get roll and pitch angle, and you also get the tire direction, and you also get the compass. And then let's go to the track mode, where you can set a lap time of your own in a particular racetrack. And next comes the custom, where you can see the G-force when you're driving, and you can also see the same which was there in the off-road mode. So it's something new which we are seeing in a Mahindra Thar. So as the name says, Thar ROXX, and the inbuilt sound system is from Harman Kardon. So I wouldn't say much, I would just let you guys experience the sound, how it feels. is impressive. So that's the Thar Rocks for you guys, and stay tuned for CRM Motorsports for more content on motorsports and automobiles. And if racing is your dream, join CRM Motorsports.